Welcome back. In this video, we will have a look at how you can set up Kafka on your local machine. By the end of this video, you would have learned how to set up Kafka on your local machine, how to start the Zookeeper server, how to start the Kafka server, how to create a topic, and how to produce and consume data from the topic using Kafka. In order to set up Kafka locally, you will have to first start the Zookeeper. And for that, open cmd in your Kafka directory and write the following command to start the zookeeper server.bat file. Once you click enter, your Zookeeper will be started. Now the next step is to start the Kafka server. For that, open a new cmd and type the following command in it. And once you enter it, the Kafka server will be created and you can verify it by looking at a port 9092 in the output. Now the next step is to create a topic. For that, open another cmd and type the following command in which you have to define the Kafka topic name for which you want to create the topic. You have to define the local host and the port of the local host and the bootstrap server. Once you press enter, your topic will be created. Now we will write the data into the topic, and for that we will use console producer. I am going to copy the above statement and made certain changes to add console producer in it and remove the create flag. And once I insert it, it is going to prompt me to enter the data that I want to insert into the topic. Type in all the data that you want to insert into your topic, and the data can be in the form of multiple lines. Once you are done with typing the data and you want to move out of it, simply press Ctrl and C. You will be prompted to enter Y or N. Press Y and you will move to the console. And then finally, we will read the contents of the topic. For that, I am going to again copy the above statement, and now instead of console producer, I am going to use console consumer object, and here I will insert a flag of from beginning to read the data from the beginning. All the data in the topic will be displayed. And this is all about setting up Snowflake with Kafka on local system. Thank you.